Cordial greeting. I would like to present my word and alter ego. My name is Alejandra Quintero, and my word is present to the teacher Julian Andres Ponte. Personal information. I am the best business administration student. I am the fastest car driver and town. Assignments. I graduated first in my English class. I learned to drive when I was 10 years old. Trips. I love traveling to Alaska by boat and train. My first trip to Europe was the astronaut. Memorable experience. My most memorable experience was becoming a mother. Another memorable experience was being loved by my parents. Things you have done. At this moment, one has not visited San Francisco, California. Did you meet to the future? I would like to learn to fly and higher glider. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.